In today's modern world, the threat of a cybersecurity attack is always looming. Whether you're surfing the web, catching up on news, or buying some groceries online, the threat of your data being compromised is always there. But when this happens, it can be easy to panic, want to shut down all your electronic devices, and just disappear into the woods. Now, this should tell you that cybersecurity is important, but what's more important is not letting a cybersecurity attack shut you down. So use this plan when responding to a cybersecurity attack. Step 1. Instead of panicking during an attack, let's assess the situation calmly and figure out what the next steps are that need to be taken. With careful planning and attention to detail, you can overcome any cybersecurity challenge thrown your way. Plus, with regular maintenance and upgrades to your security systems, you'll be ready to stop any future attacks from happening. So, don't panic, keep calm, carry on. After all, nobody wants a frazzled keyboard warrior running the show. You need a clear head to get through these next steps. Step 2, we need to identify what type of cybersecurity attack this is. There are many different types of cybersecurity attacks that can target both businesses and individuals. The most common is phishing attacks, malware infections, or DDoS attacks. Phishing attacks involve sending someone scam emails to trick them into either downloading some software or revealing sensitive information about the company. Malware infections may involve ransomware, which will encrypt your files and hold them hostage unless you pay a ransom to get them de-encrypted. Now, a DDoS attack uses multiple programs and softwares to help flood your network with traffic, which makes it impossible to access things like the internet or anything else on your network. While these are just some examples of some types of cybersecurity attacks, there are many others that can be used depending on the goals and the resources available to the attackers. Understanding how each one of these work is essential in minimizing damage and coming up with a plan on how to respond to each. When a cybersecurity attack occurs, it is essential to isolate the affected devices to mitigate the damage as much as possible. This can be done by disconnecting these devices from the network and removing any removable media such as flash drives or hard drives. It's also important to secure all the other devices that are on the network. This may include computers, printers, access points, or even mobile devices. By taking these steps and working quickly to contain and neutralize the cybersecurity attack, you can help lower the damage that you or your company takes from these types of attacks. Step 4 is to change your passwords. This helps to ensure that cybersecurity criminals no longer have access to your network or your data, financial information, or even personal things like photos and videos. Simply adding a layer of protection by using complex passwords is not enough to keep you protected from sophisticated cybersecurity attacks. Additionally, you should be more careful about the websites and apps that you interact with. Avoid any of them that seem suspicious or that might have had cybersecurity attacks in the past. By taking these proactive measures, you can help protect yourself from being another victim of cybersecurity attacks. Step 5, restore your systems from backups. When your computer or systems come under attack from a cybersecurity threat, it is critical that you restore your systems from backup immediately. One of the best ways to do this is to back up your systems on a regular basis and use these backups to restore those systems. Not only will this ensure that you can recover your files quickly and easily, but it will actually only take a few simple and easy steps to restore your systems from backup. First, you're going to need to update your systems and any programs you use before restoring those backups. Then, if necessary, you can restore any changes that malicious software might have caused to get your business back up and running. With the right backup and restore tools in place, you can quickly and easily restore any damage done by any cybersecurity attack or hackers. Step 6, we need to educate our employees about cybersecurity and what just happened. So especially in the wake of a cybersecurity attack, it is important to educate our employees about what just happened and how to avoid this from happening again. Not only will educating employees help prevent future attacks, but it also helps during the next attack so that they know what to do while it's going on. By taking steps to educate employees about cybersecurity after a cybersecurity attack, businesses everywhere can protect themselves against future threat and ensure the continued safety of their most sensitive data. Step 7, stay vigilant. Always learn from your mistakes and never let them happen again. With diligence and hard work, you can protect your business and yourself from the ever-growing landscape of cybersecurity attacks. And remember, the key is not just strengthening your cyber defenses, but it's also staying alert and nimble. The stakes are simply too high to not take cybersecurity seriously. So stay vigilant, my friends. You'll be happy you did.